everybody? It's your boy Harley Fat Boy Jr, aka the Flying Hawaiian. How is everybody doing today? Man, what a beautiful day in Oregon. This is what it's all about, man. Sharing my rides. You know, I do some reviews on my channel. Minor installs, nothing too crazy. I already got what I need on my bike, the bars and the pipes, and that's what I was looking for in the very beginning. They're already on there, thanks to my boy Ben. If you guys are free, willing, and able, check out the channel. Check out my Instagram, Harley Fat Boy Jr. Appreciate the support. Love you long time. And to my boy RYAno, man, I appreciate you've been supporting me since day one. It is not about the subscribers. It's not about the views, the likes, or all that stuff, man. The community is so unreal, man. And you're like my brother, bro. We haven't even met each other. We've never hung out. But I can't wait to meet you and your family. I appreciate the love and support since day one, like I've said. If you guys are not following RYAno, give him a follow on Instagram, hit that subscribe button, drop an elbow or two, or no, just drop one elbow on that subscribe button. Check out his videos, hit him up with some likes, comments. RYAno, I love you, man. But everybody, go check us out, man. Appreciate you guys. You know what to do. Stay safe, stay blessed, and continue to spread the love, because we need it. Fat Boy out. Boom.